Uh, Today, I want us to learn how you can compile some few codes of JavaScript. So, someone on the computer create someone on the computer create a folder. Maybe give it some name, like I can just say call this JS code. That's the folder of my new project. And then as usual, file, open folder, go to your folder, JS code, select, and then write some new HTML file. Like you can give it any name as usual. Like me, I've chosen to give it index.html, and then generate the HTML boilerplate template kama kawaida, ipatie title JS codes here, lesson 1. Then now we are set to begin. There are three ways that you can write your code in JavaScript and display it on the body of your work. Like one, you need to introduce script as usual, and then inside here you can either use an alert to display content on the screen. Then somewhere here you type what you want, some text here. That is one way. If I run this code, you realize that I have just created an alert. The other way that you may need, let me comment this so that my compiler won't execute. The other way that you need is to use either a prompt, which is also an inbuilt function of JavaScript. Say something again. How are you? So this is expected to create a prompt, maybe that it will be interacting with the user. So let us run this code again and see what we have achieved. This is how a prompt looks like. The other thing that we may need is to use document.write just to write some text on the body. So you say document.write and then brackets, double quotes, outside semicolon, then now you write what you want. Yeah, how are you? Or maybe something like welcome. So this is just some three ways of writing or display code. Now, if you want to introduce HTML, then remember you can only do that inside the double quotes. When you do outside the double quotes, then definitely you will get an error. So that is what how we are able to introduce our code, I'll, I'll introduce our HTML inside the JavaScript. So those are some of the ways that we'll be using to display content on the screen in JavaScript. Again, you can also introduce JavaScript inside the head tag, somewhere like here, somewhere inside the head. And this means your JavaScript code will be executed before even the body loads. Yeah, before the boot loads, then the JavaScript has already executed. So that is very important. Let us practice how to maybe introduce some HTML tags in JavaScript, or how just to use the prompt or document.write to print something on the screen. Then after that, let us meet in the next class. Thank you.